Hi, I'm Dominic Balancio, Product Manager with Lippert Components. It's November, so of course we're here to talk about Lippert's patented Solid Steps. So why Solid Step in November? Well, in the lovely metropolis of Elkhart, Indiana, November means a couple things. One, you're going to see a couple guys walking around looking like me trying to grow a beard. Two, it's officially cold out now, so there are no more summer days, no more Indian summer like you get in October, and now you're going to start seeing some precipitation. And that's going to come in the form of rain, sleet, snow, ice, basically nothing that's going to promote good traction on the roads or for your feet. So if you're going to get into some cold weather camping and you've got a Solid Step, you want to make sure you're setting it up correctly. In the past, we had fold-out steps like Lippert's Alumatread. And when you fold them out, that's pretty much all you had to do. You've got slight positive camber in these steps so that when you step on them, they naturally level out. And they're not going to go through negative camber, which is going to be a slight downslope. With your Solid Step, since we've got ground contact, you're the reason that the step is going to be set level or with a slight negative or positive camber. So when you pick up your coach from your last camping trip, it's probably very likely that your ground has changed or the terrain is a little bit different. Maybe you're on a slope, maybe you're on an incline, maybe there's a couple rocks in your way. So when you get your step out, first thing you want to do is make sure that the feet are all the way back. Put your step down and make sure that your tread plate is flush against your threshold. There's only about a 3/8 inch gap there, so if you're off one way or the other, you're immediately going to see it when you close the door. And then the easiest way to set these things up, if you've got the lift assist version, simply come around the side and deploy the legs. And now you're pretty much set up. If you've got your standard Solid Steps, there's little pull pins, but you deploy them in the exact same similar fashion. If it was me, just for the peace of mind, I'd take out my phone, get my leveling app out, and make sure that they're pretty close to level. Once you're level, you're all set to enjoy some camping. So thanks, and have a nice day.